Justice M. Sundar of Madras High Court has been elevated as the Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur as announced by the Union Law Ministry today. He will take charge following the retirement of incumbent Chief Justice Imphal Somasekar, who demitted office on attaining the retirement age of 62 years. The elevation comes after the Supreme Court Collegium's recommendation last Thursday, which proposed Justice Sundar for the post along with two other judges for different high courts. Justice Pravan Kumar B. Bajantri of Karnataka High Court was recommended as Chief Justice of Patna High Court, while Justice Somen Sen of Kolkata High Court was recommended as Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court. High Court judges retire at the age of 62 years, whereas Supreme Court judges retire at 65 years. Justice Sundar's appointment is expected to ensure continuity in the functioning of High Court of Manipur after Justice Somasekar's retirement.